I'm sleeping in my nighties. Well, I did. And now I'm here while they're bickering. So, yeah. It's kind of awkward. Shut up. I need a rusty pen. What? Alright, well, I'm recording myself right now.
No!
No, get your butt out of the camera, you fridge. Ow. That was cool. Ow!